Day one hits hard. Your legs burn, your knees tremble, and your balance feels all over the place. And by rep 60, you're questioning your life choices. This is normal. Your muscles are waking up after years of not being used properly. Your hips open up, your knees stop cracking as much, and your body finally remembers how to move like an athlete again. You're still working hard, but your body finally starts cooperating. You stop avoiding stairs. Your hips start moving freely. Your squats feel less like a fight, almost automatic. This is when your lower body wakes up, and your coordination improves faster than your strength. Week 3 is when you actually see the changes. Not just your waist feels tighter, your legs look firmer, and your balance in everyday movement becomes rock solid. Week 4 is where everything finally clicks. Your body doesn't fight the movement anymore. It flows. Your squats feel lighter. Your hips move freely. This is the point where your body adapts and upgrades.